Time for
Hello,
self-care.
I'm going to do a mask for tonight. We're using a best lifting mask.
Unboxing
this is my
now,
favorite
yeah.
mask, okay? So do an unboxing for this one. It's my new box. Okay, one box got how many pieces? One box got 4 pieces.
Yeah. Open a new box. Best lifting mask
so tonight I'm
anti-aging
gonna
formula
use one.
by Mary Kay.
Okay. So actually for this best lifting mask, right? Okay, it's awarded best lifting mask by Mary Kay, and one box costs
One
retail
box
price
retail
100
price
Sing.
SGD 100
Okay.
out of masks. No more sagging skin.
Okay, then put on the mask to the whole face. Okay, then remove the
Apply
protection
on nicely.
layer. Okay,
Coconut
remove the
fiber mask,
protection
not
layer.
normal sheet mask. Cellulose mask.
This one. Okay, remove the protection layer. Okay, then adjust nicely. Okay, then leave it on for 20 to
wrinkles.
30 minutes. Okay. I tell you, a lot of bride-to-be will apply this best lifting mask a night before they go for their wedding dinner or for their wedding day or before their RN solemnization. Okay, 连眼睛也可以做 mask. Okay. 看不到。Okay, 弄一下。Okay, 就这样。看不到了。Okay, so I'm gonna go and rest, okay? So, 30 minutes later, right, I can just go and sleep lah. Okay. So if you like to grab this Mary Kay best lifting mask, right? Okay, so can PM me, okay? This one is 100 Sing dollar. One box got 4 pieces, okay? This is a very good mask, okay? This one is not ordinary mask. This one is actually the coconut fiber mask, okay? So this one is a good quality mask, okay? Eh, 鼻子没有弄好。Okay. Best lifting mask, the best anti-aging mask. Okay. This one. Okay, so WhatsApp me to place the order 87558861. I'm based in Singapore, okay? Good night everyone. Bye bye.